Today we're introducing the Love's Cabin Outdoor Cat House, a weatherproof and insulated haven for your feline friends, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This cat house is crafted from high-quality Oxford material with a PU waterproof coating, ensuring that even if the surface gets wet, the rain won't seep inside, keeping your cat dry and cozy. Designed for easy assembly, this collapsible cat house requires no tools, just simple Velcro connections, making setup a breeze whether it's in your garden, barn, or home. The house features 2 exits with removable door curtains, providing safety and protection from harsh weather, while the large 8 by 9 inch openings allow cats of all sizes to enter and exit comfortably. Inside, a removable soft cushion ensures your cat stays warm and relaxed throughout the seasons. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor cats, this shelter offers a secure and warm environment, and it's a thoughtful addition for those who wish to provide stray cats with a safe refuge from the elements. Remember, while the cat house is weatherproof, placing it on a slope or under a covered area will offer extra protection from wind and rain. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.